Bhaktamar Stotra, Eulogy of Lord Adinatha, verse number 7. It's by to sin by Jina Eulogy. Time to discuss about prose order of verse number 7. First line of verse contains the words Tvat Sansta Vena Bhav Santati Sanni Baddham. Tvat, that means your, Sansta Vena, by presence, Bhav, that means lifespans, or can say of many life spans, Santati, by long, Sanni Baddham, that means bound. Next line contains the words Papam Chanat Chaya Mupaiti, it's become Chayam Upaiti Sharir Bhajam. Here Papam, that means sinful karmas, or can say sin. Chanat, it's innumerate, or can say very soon. Chayam, it's annihilation. Here annihilation means complete separation. Again I am repeating, annihilation here means complete separation. Upaiti, that means achin to. Sharir Bhajam, it's living things, or can say of living beings. Next line contains the words Akrant Lokam, it's Alinilam, Asesham and Ashu. Akrant Lokam, where means pervaded in the world. Ali Neelam, it's like bee. Asesham, that means complete, or can say total. And Ashu, again it is in no minute, or can say very soon. Last line contains the words Surya Anshu Bhinnam Eva Shar Varam, and last one is Andhikaram. Here Surya means sun, or can say of sun. Anshu, that means rays. Bhinnam, here dispersed. Eva, that means as. Sharvaram, that means night, or can say of night. And Andhakaram, it's darkness. Now let us discuss about the complete meaning of verse number 7 through our chart. One side it is Papam, and another side it is Shar Varam Andhakaram. Now, Sharvaram Andhakaram, its example. So here it's Evu, that means as. Papam, it is Chadam. Chadam means that means its destruction. Here it is Chayam. Chayam also means destruction here. Here common word is Upaiti. Upati, that means attempt to. Thereafter here it is Chanat. Chanat, that means in no minute, and here it is Bhinnam, that means dispersed. Chanat, how come? Tvat sanstha vena. Just because of your praising. Answer to the question is Chadam. Just because of your praising, sinful karmas get annihilated or get completed, separated out due to your devotion, and your credit goes to Suryanshu, rays of sun. Due to rays of sun, darkness get dispersed. Now, Tvat Sanstavena, who do so, they are Sharir Bhaja, or can say of living beings. यहाँ पर here Papam belongs to Sharir Bhaja, and other side Ali Neelam, that means here darkness is just like dark, like B, and last one is Bhav Santati Sanni Baddham, that means sinful karmas which are bound from long lifespans. And here the darkness which is pervaded in the world, it is Akrant Lokam. Now listen to the complete meaning of this verse. It is as the rays of sun disperse the total darkness of night, which is dark like color of B and pervaded throughout the world. Similarly, living beings, sinful karmas get eradicated by your praisings, or your praisings plays the role of complete separating the karmas. In this way, we discussed about the description of verse number 7.